Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can start a completely new message on Slack. For example, to communicate with your workspace members and share information with them efficiently. This is perfect if you want to keep your team updated, coordinate projects, or even send yourself reminders. So let us dive right into it and show you how you can do it. Head over to Slack, log into your account, and choose your workspace in the top left corner. Now guys, instead of diving straight into your channels, you can, for example, go through the direct messaging section below and select a workspace member of yours to start a chat with him or her. This is useful if you want to send the private message without cluttering a public channel. Alternatively, guys, you can simply click the Create New button in the bottom left corner and select Message. After that, enter the recipient's name or username at the top. For example, you can even message yourself to take notes, set reminders, or test Slack features. Or you can select other users by typing their name or selecting them from the suggested list that appears. You may also choose to send messages to entire channels or to connected applications. This is a great way to share updates with a team or trigger integrations you've set up with Slack apps. If you would like to send a new message to one of your contacts, simply select the contact's username and start typing your message at the top. You'll also see the chat history above if you've already talked to that user, which helps you keep track of ongoing conversations. And that's it. That's how it works, guys. After that, type your message at the bottom where it says Message, for example, Test or Test Message, and then press Enter or click the Send button. Your message will be delivered instantly to the selected user or contact in your workspace. You can also use Slack formatting and emojis to make your messages more engaging, or attach files in links directly to your messages to save time and keep everything organized. That's how it works, guys. We know where you are, we know that you are, we know what you are, we know what you are. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future tech tutorials. We'll see you next time on our channel.